All right, welcome back to Dipper's Guide to the Unexplained. Today we investigate Gravity Falls anomaly number 82. This guy. Sure, he looks normal, but if he's so normal, explain why he's always facing left. Literally, I've been following him around for weeks, and I've never once seen the right side of his face. And neither has anyone else. But why? Mabel, theories?
Theory 1, he's hiding an embarrassing sunburn. Theory 2, half man, half lizard man. And theory number 3, my personal favorite, he's normal, and Dipper's just crazy.
That's not a theory. That doesn't count as a theory.
Yeah.
We find out now. Hello, good sir.
I'm sorry, cameras aren't allowed in here.
Oh, it's not on, not on. He bought it. So, would you mind grabbing those bowling shoes for me? The ones on your right side?
Those ones?
Whoops. Oh no, I dropped my wallet. It's over to your right there, your right side. Could maybe turn around and...
There you are, sir.
Fine. Did you just get me my bowling ball?
I don't see why not. Let's see, you look like maybe a tenner.
Well, I was thinking it could be the, Aha! What the...
Guys!
We're blown! Shut it down! Shut it down!
The time has come! The time has come! The time has come! The time,
The time has come, brother!
I can't! I have a family!
You signed the oath!
Hold.
Ah!
Come on! Sprinklers are on!
Well, that concludes anomaly number 82. I think we might want to burn this tape.